back, guys. I have a new project. Oh, look. This is my new project. It's a little bike for 4-year-olds that have no pedals, so you just kickstart it. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's a mini bike. I'm gonna put a gas engine on it. So I'm gonna make a metal frame to put the gas engine on. I already have the throttle. I just need to install it. It already has rear brakes. I just need to install front brakes on this. Install the throttle. Put an engine. I already have an engine. It's from a rotor tiller actually, and we don't need it anymore. So I'm gonna put a small little 70cc, I'm guessing, engine. It's like maybe 2 horsepower. But yeah. So right now I'm gonna just fix the brakes, and then I'll start refabricating stuff for the frame, motor. Yeah. Let's get started. Alright, so I need to buy another cable just like this because that one was broken. So I just got this one again. Kind of made it work. It's really tight here, like I would push it in and then let it go and it's like stay because there's no spring. So I mean the front one worked great. It worked just fine. So I'm just gonna go test these brakes out and hope they work. And I'm just gonna go test the brakes. They work. Why am I so scared? I'm scared. I don't know why. I would have shot this in it. Screw it, I don't have enough speed. Well, whatever. The good thing is, brakes work. So I can make a motor mount. Alright, so now I'm just gonna, you can't see my face, huh? So now I'm just gonna install the throttle and the kill switch for now, just to see how it looks like. Alright, so I got the throttle handle on and the kill switch. This is how it's gonna be. Right now I'm waiting for a new brake handle. It's like super short. I'm gonna like maybe access it with one. Sometimes if I like try like this, maybe 2 fingers. But what sucks is this is gonna be reversed. So off is on and on is off. Well, oh well. But yeah. Excited. So for now I just have to just place the bike down, cut this bracket off right here, cut this bracket off completely, remove the coil, and then make some sort of a frame to fit the engine on, and then weld it together, put the engine on it. So this is the engine that I'm going to be using. I got my centrifugal clutch. It's a 5/8 shaft clutch. Need to figure out how to make this. I'll go back and forth. But a centrifugal clutch. It's a 10-tooth. Right here. I think it's like a 2 horsepower engine. Disconnect the throttle and put the new throttle cable in here. Refigure out the muffler because it just comes out straight back. It used to have a thing to make it go out that way, but it broke off. So now it's just the exhaust is gonna be blowing straight back. Then I was thinking maybe make some a different muffler, like a longer one or a bigger muffler. That way it's more quiet. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. The kind of pipe lengths I need. Got the miter saw out, and I'm gonna cut my pieces. So I have this right here, this frame, the width of the motor, pretty long. So I'm just gonna place it on the bike over here, make it level, and then figure out. So I was originally gonna have the 2 bars go over here on the edges of these pieces, but it would be too wide, and this motor has a small base. And so what I'm just gonna have to do is just make it level, cut like a middle piece like that at the bottom, and then weld it to the middle bar that goes across. Alright, so I welded my frame, kind of. Just the back part, not this part yet, because I'm thinking I need to adjust it. Looks very tight. Hopefully that the engine fits in here, so I'm gonna try putting the engine in and hope it fits. Alright, so the problem is that I welded it all together already. And I tried putting on the engine and it's too high up, so what I'm gonna have to do is cut the front ones down, make it longer, and then cut this back one down, make it also longer, like drop it 2 inches down. Gotta use this new chain because this is too short. Alright, here it is. Here's my frame right here. And I just have to trim these down. But I lowered the, we'll call it lowered the back end, cut it down, re-welded longer poles. I made some very long kickstands. They're 8 inches long, but it's because the motor sticks out and I want to make a little chain guard just for safety. So yeah, I have to cut this chain down. But before I do that, I'm gonna drill holes, screw the engine on, and then work from there. Alright, so I have finally screwed the engine in. I got it all, measured it out correctly after like 25 tries. I finally got the holes in the right section area. I screwed them in, so this engine's not gonna go anywhere. So what I'm gonna do with the clutch is I'm gonna drill a hole in through here, because when you put the clutch in, it's gonna, when I put the clutch in, it slides back and forth. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a hole, tap it, and then put the clutch in, and then get a bolt with a washer, and then just screw it in like that. And then throttle cable, I'm gonna get the cable and put a spring in it and somehow make the cable work. and then hook up the kill switch, put the chain on. Should be good to go until the brake pads are, the new brake handle with the cable are gonna come in tomorrow. So yeah, right now, just gonna get to work on the clutch.